How are we all doing today? Hope everybody's doing well. Today we're going to take a look at the battery packs for the BF888S.
Power on. 3.
These radios are probably about 15 years ago. Battery packs are getting old. They're getting long in the tooth. They won't no longer hold a charge. Okay, that time it didn't shut off. AA1PR testing.
2, 1, 3.
So it's holding a little bit of charge. The last couple times I tried to transmit on it, it would just shut off and say power on, the channel number. So anyways, I ordered a couple batteries and they should be in sometime today. So once they arrive, we'll come back and look at the batteries and do a video on it. And yeah, so unfortunately using the microphone on and off and using it as an all-star node over the years, the little report cracked on it. But other than that, radio still survives. Guess I gotta go back in the chirp and up the squelch setting. Looks like I got that stuff for light. So yeah, we gotta do a bunch of programming. Haven't used these things in years. So the BF888 batteries arrived. I don't know why they're in such a thick box. The battery is not that wide, but let's see what we got. Like I said, the battery's not that wide, but they got it in a big wide box. You can fit 2 of those in a box, so I don't know. Make any sense? This original battery pack's been on here since when I buy these, 2010, something like that. Yeah, it no longer holds a charge, so let me get it off of there. Let me get the new one on. Take a look at that, and then we'll get it in the charger cup. So let me get this one off of there. This battery actually feels arced, bubbled, like the cells in it's gone bad. Haven't used it in like forever, but anyways, no battery lasts forever. So take a look at the new battery. Lithium ion, 7 volts, 1500 milliamps, charging volts 4.2, in use. Got the little tabs. Let's get it on and see what happens here. Okay, got it in place.
Power on. 3.
AA1PR testing. Okay, we're keying up the repeater. We're hearing the repeater. I got a voltometer around here somewhere, so I could check the voltage, but you know what? It's a cold, winter, snowy day. These things just arrived. They're ice cold. Just to make sure they're topped off, I'm just going to shut the radio off. We can stick it in the charger for a while and see what happens here. They're not totally charged, so anyways, I don't know if it's going to take an hour, half hour, 45 minutes, 2 hours, whatever it is. We'll proceed with the video then. A little bit of dust on it. Anyways, I plugged it in. Must have been between 5 and 5:30. Here it is, 8:40, and it's done. It's done charging. See that green light?